Hey there, culinary enthusiasts and home cooks. Are you ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Look no further than Amazon's incredible selection of kitchen gadgets. From time-saving appliances to innovative tools, Amazon has everything you need to revolutionize your culinary experience. In this video, we'll explore a hand-picked selection of the best kitchen gadgets available on Amazon. Discover the ultimate kitchen companions that will make your cooking journey a breeze. Say goodbye to kitchen frustrations and hello to effortless meals with these incredible gadgets. Let's dive into the world of Amazon kitchen gadgets and unlock the potential of your culinary creativity. In today's fast-paced world, where time is a precious commodity, having the right kitchen gadgets can make all the difference in creating delicious meals easily and efficiently. Whether you're a professional chef or a passionate home cook, Amazon offers various kitchen gadgets that can elevate your culinary experience. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Amazon kitchen gadgets and explore various innovative tools and appliances that will revolutionize how you cook, bake, and prepare meals. From time-saving devices to cutting-edge technology, get ready to discover the best kitchen gadgets Amazon offers. 11. Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus, the multifunctional wonder. The Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus has become a staple in modern kitchens, combining the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and more into one versatile appliance. With its precise temperature control, customizable cooking programs, and quick cooking times, this multifunctional wonder takes the hassle out of meal preparation, allowing you to create delicious dishes with minimal effort. Whether you're whipping up a savory stew or cooking a tender roast, the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus will become your go-to kitchen companion. 10. KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer, the baker's essential for baking enthusiasts. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is a must-have gadget. With its powerful motor and various attachments, this iconic mixer can effortlessly handle everything from kneading dough to whipping up fluffy meringues. Its timeless design, wide range of color options, and durable construction make it a stylish and reliable companion in the kitchen. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer will unleash your baking creativity from mixing cookie dough to creating perfectly whipped cream. 9. Vitamix Professional Series Blender, the ultimate blend. The Vitamix Professional Series Blender stands out as a top choice for blending. Known for its exceptional performance and durability, this high-powered blender can effortlessly puree fruits and vegetables, crush ice, and create smooth, velvety textures. Its variable speed control and robust blades ensure consistent blending results, making it ideal for everything from smoothies to soups. The Vitamix Professional Series Blender allows you to take your culinary creations to new heights. 8. Innova Culinary Sous-Vide Precision Cooker, the Precision Chef. Sous-vide cooking has gained popularity among home cooks, thanks to its ability to produce perfectly cooked, restaurant-quality meals. The Innova Culinary Sous-Vide Precision Cooker makes this technique accessible and convenient. Simply attach the precision cooker to a pot of water, set the desired temperature, and let it work its magic. The precise temperature control ensures consistent results, whether you're cooking steak, fish, or vegetables. With the Innova Culinary Sous-Vide Precision Cooker, you can achieve professional-level precision and tenderness in your culinary creations. 7. Ninja Foodi Deluxe Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer, the Versatile Performer. 6. Combining the functions of a pressure cooker and an air fryer, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe is a versatile kitchen gadget that offers a wide range of cooking options. With its pressure cooking capabilities, you can cook meals up to 70% faster, while the air frying feature allows you to enjoy crispy and guilt-free fried foods. This all-in-one appliance is perfect for busy households that crave convenience without sacrificing taste. Whether you're pressure cooking a flavorful stew or air frying crispy French fries, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe has you covered. 5. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper, the Time Saver. Chopping vegetables can be time-consuming, but the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper streamlines the process. With its sharp blades and efficient design, this gadget allows you to dice onions, chop tomatoes, and julienne carrots in a fraction of the time. Its user-friendly operation and easy-to-clean components make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper saves time and effort while preparing your favorite meals. 4. Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe, the Grilling Maestro. Indoor grilling is made easy with the Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe. This versatile countertop appliance functions as a grill, griddle, and panini press, offering a range of cooking possibilities. Whether you're grilling burgers, making pancakes, or pressing a delicious panini, the Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe delivers consistent results with its adjustable temperature controls and removable non-stick plates. With its compact size and easy cleanup, this gadget is perfect for year-round grilling in any kitchen. 3 Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker, the morning savior. Say goodbye to the breakfast rush with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. This ingenious gadget allows you to create a homemade breakfast sandwich effortlessly in just a few minutes. Simply layer your choice of bread, eggs, cheese, and meat, close the lid, and let cook. In no time, you'll have a hot and delicious breakfast sandwich to fuel your day. With the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker, you can enjoy a satisfying breakfast without the hassle of multiple pans or a drive-through line. 2 Ozuri Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale, the precision partner. Accurate measurements are crucial in cooking and baking, and the Ozuri Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale ensures precision. With its precise sensors and easy-to-read LCD screen, this compact scale provides accurate weight measurements for ingredients, helping you achieve consistent recipe results. Its sleek design and lightweight construction make it a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether measuring flour for a cake or weighing ingredients for a precise recipe, the Ozuri Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale will be your trusty kitchen companion. 1 Chefin' Fresh Force Citrus Juicer, the Juicing Pro. If you love freshly squeezed citrus juice, the Chefin' Fresh Force Citrus Juicer will be your new favorite gadget. With its innovative dual-gear mechanism, this handheld juicer maximizes juice extraction while minimizing hand strain. Whether you're squeezing lemons, limes, or oranges, this juicer makes the process quick, efficient, and mess-free. With the Chefin' Fresh Force Citrus Juicer, you can easily enjoy the refreshing taste of freshly squeezed juice. Amazon offers a treasure trove of kitchen gadgets that cater to all culinary needs and preferences. From time-saving appliances to precision tools, these gadgets can transform your cooking experience and elevate your dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, investing in the right kitchen gadgets can enhance your culinary skills, save you valuable time, and unleash your creative potential. Explore the wide selection of kitchen gadgets on Amazon and embark on a culinary journey filled with convenience, innovation, and gastronomic delights. With these top-notch kitchen gadgets, you'll be well-equipped to unleash your inner chef and create culinary masterpieces with ease. Happy cooking! And there you have it, folks. A showcase of the top kitchen gadgets available on Amazon that will transform the way you cook, bake, and prepare meals. From the versatile Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus to the precision of the Ozuri Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale, these gadgets are designed to simplify your cooking process and elevate your culinary results. So, go ahead and explore the vast range of kitchen gadgets on Amazon, and let your imagination run wild in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on kitchen gadgets, recipes, and culinary. Until next time, happy cooking!